Hi, I am planning to start another blog website, so I decided why not I record everything and share with you all so that you could learn blogging in this whole journey. In this video series, I will cover learn blogging step by step from scratch and I will write blogs with you in each video. So let me take you to my blogging journey, a small about introduction about me. My name is Imran Nadir, as most of you may know. I'm a digital marketer as a professional, specialized in SEO and Google Ads. I own digital marketing and web design agency in Islamabad named Marketist. We provide web design and development services, SEO, Google Ads, social media marketing and management, and logo design services for brands. Well, I'm a digital marketing trainer and worked with two institutes and still working with one right now. I got my four blogs AdSense approved in less than 1 year. So that makes me authority to tell you about blogging. Before I share what I shall cover in this video series, let me share why blog is important. Well, it will create authority for your content and ideas. Whatever you write about and whatever comes in your mind, it will create authority for it. You can become next level influencer with your blog. If your blog becomes next level or get good engagement, you can become an influencer as well. When we talk about business website, you can generate business leads from it. Yes, I know so many people who have blogs and they generate leads every day from their blog. You can monetize it through AdSense, Zoic, or many other platforms. Well, and the good thing about blogging is that I hope you heard of affiliate earnings. Well, you can sell products of different platforms and earn some extra cash as commission on each sale. Lastly, you can sell your own products on your blog. So you may have seen so many people selling their own products on their website or blogs. Now, before we begin, I need you to understand few points, and these are very, very important. Well, this video series is not money making series which could make you millionaire overnight. Do not expect $1 million from AdSense until you reach some amazing blog level. These are all same strategies which I use to get AdSense approval for my websites and for my clients' websites as well. I've not hide anything like most of the content creators do. Another good thing about this series is that I will be having a Q&A session every week, which will be live, where you could ask anything related to the series, and I shall respond to each and every question. I will keep writing my journey to this blog website. So whatever I tell you in videos, I will write in a blog on my blog, marketers.pk/blog, where you will be finding every video and every details. And I will keep it updated with whenever we create a new video. For better results, I request you to watch complete videos. If you are in hurry or if you have good English, you can watch it at 1.5 speed or 2x speed on YouTube. Expected time from start of the blog to approval, like AdSense approval, could be between 30 to 90 days. Sometimes it may take up to 6 months or 1 year. So hang in there and just stay consistent. Well, this is for the people who love Netflix and who want to be billionaire overnight. You can skip this video series or leave the blog and go watch Netflix show if you expect to get approval in the next 5 to 10 days and start earning from it. Lastly, I do not provide AdSense services. So watch this series to get your answers, like the questions you have. You will get everything. I will share every details. Please don't reach out to me saying help you in getting AdSense approval because I will be sharing everything in this video series. So another thing, I expect you to please respect my time and ask relevant questions so that I could give you proper uh, answers. If you respect others' time, everyone will respect yours as well. So another thing, another question, who is this video series for? Well, if you have a business website and is struggling with SEO or traffic, watch this as it will be covering. I will be covering a lot about SEO. If you are a freelancer and giving freelance services on different platforms, or you are a solopreneur, you can watch to start your own blog. If you want some extra cash, you can also start blogging. Lastly, if you are building personal brand, blog is a perfect online solution for personal branding. Here's what I will be covering in this series intro. That is in this video. I'm just telling you about my intro, what I will cover in this blog series and everything. The next will be niche selection, on which topic. That is the question most of the people, most of the beginners ask. What is niche, and how we select niche, and how we select the topic of our blog. So I will tell you how to select that, and I will select my own niche, and I will start with you. Domain hosting, we will be buying. I will showing you how to buy, or how I buy domain hosting for my websites. I will tell you, you can buy from other platforms as well. WordPress installation, recommended blog themes for beginners. I will also installing the WordPress on website, where you could learn which theme is best for beginners. Must have plugins for better website experience. Yes, I will share few of the best plugins which every website should have. And moreover, the important pages. Every blog website should have important pages, step by step, or which pages AdSense requires. Like Google recommends which pages. I will share you the details about it as well. Blogging and AI. Yes, it is important. There are so many people talking about blogging and AI, how AI will affect the bloggers and everything. We will discuss in detail. So stay tuned. Moreover, I'll be sharing SEO basics, on-page and technical SEO, because we will not be going for off-page SEO for now, but later maybe we'll go for off-page. Writing first 60 to 100 blogs. I will write each blog online and create a video about it, how I write, how I do research about writing a blog and everything. So stay tuned for the next 60 to 100 videos, which will be next 60 to 100 blogs. AdSense approval after writing 60 to 100. In between, we will go for AdSense, and hopefully we will get our approval. Continuous journey of blog, and I will be sharing after that the journey, how my blog is performing and everything. So stay tuned. This is going to be a very great session, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so that it could, as a support, And also, when I say subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and share this video, it just give boost in YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.